Another thing to consider when creating your closets is that you have a system that's flexible. Someone gave me this container store system. It's the third house we're on with it. And the previous two, we had it one first in my office and then on our closet. The office took up the entire wall. It was great. I used it for office supplies, different storage things. When we moved, then I used most of it, about half of it, in the back of our closet. We didn't have a lot of place in the primary closet. Here in our home, it's being split into 3 different closets. I told you before, see the beach towels there, we don't have a linen closet. So this is flexible. We've got benches, we've got little trays, those are my hostess gifts. And so I just want you to think about, I love this, we have about 3 or 4 here, you can see shelves. When you're coming up with this system, have something that can grow and change with you as you grow and change to make life easier. Because as I said, we've mentioned this is the 3rd time and in different areas where we need closet space.